In front of me is OPPO Reno 13 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. Finding downloaded files on this OPPO device is really easy because of one special app you already have. It's called Files. When you click on it, you need to choose Allow in this pop-up and then tap on Downloads section under Categories. As you can see now, I can use all of my downloaded files in one place. To operate them, tap on those three dots next to the chosen one. Then do whatever you want to using all of those options from the pop-up. To simply open one of your downloaded files, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!